Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete a Snapchat account permanently on your iPhone. For example, if you want to get rid of the Snapchat and if you want to get deleted your account permanently, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on settings, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply open the App Store here, and in App Store you have to simply check for the Snapchat app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the Snapchat app, and here you have to simply click on that profile, and after that you have to simply click on settings, and in settings you have to scroll down until you find the option of delete. So you have to simply click on that as you search for the delete option. So here you can simply click on that, and after that you will find the option of your username and password, and you have to simply provide the username and password. And here if you click on continue, then your account will be deleted permanently. But if you want to deactivate for some days, then you can simply log in back to your account within 30 days, and after that your account will be recovered again. So in this way you can simply delete your account permanently without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. Get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.